Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to turn on or off live captions on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on scroll down and click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on Hearing Enhancement, click on Live Caption. If you want to turn on or turn off live caption, so you will see live caption button is here. If you want to turn off live caption, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, live caption is turned off. If you want to turn on live caption, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, live caption is turned on. You will turn on or turn off live caption from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off a live caption on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.